Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine rice. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to enjoying your homemade creation. This traditional fermented dish is surprisingly simple to prepare, requiring just a few key components and a bit of patience. Get ready to transform humble glutinous rice into a delightful, subtly sweet, and aromatic treat that's perfect for various culinary uses or simply enjoyed on its own. First, let's prepare our main ingredient, glutinous rice. You'll need about 500 grams. Wash it several times until the water runs clear, then soak it for at least 4 hours or even overnight. After soaking, steam the rice until it's perfectly cooked but not mushy. While the rice cools, crush 1 small piece of your wine yeast starter, also known as, into a fine powder. Once your steamed rice has cooled completely to room temperature, it's time for the magic to begin. Gently mix the crushed yeast starter evenly throughout the rice. Transfer this mixture into a very clean, sterilized, airtight container. Create a small well in the center of the rice. Store it in a warm, dark place, ideally around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, for about 3 to 5 days. After 3 to 5 days, your wine rice should be ready. You'll notice a sweet, alcoholic aroma and a clear liquid forming at the bottom of the container. This liquid is the wine. Transfer your finished wine rice to the refrigerator, where it can be stored for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this versatile creation as a refreshing dessert, add it to savory dishes, or even use it in traditional Chinese soups for a unique flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.